Good morning, guys. That's what I've said. I need to keep the vlog going. And why is this going 12,800? I don't know. Let's go back. Fuck. So noob here. Got it. So, good morning, guys. That's what I've said. I need to get the vlog going. It's kind of windy right now. How's the audio going? Yeah, I'm using the furry thing from this camera here, which is weird. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of cold today, but we're heading out. We're gonna watch a play. It's really windy. I'm scared about what the audio is gonna sound, but yeah, it's been a weird day today. So it suddenly went a bit dark and gloomy, and now it became, you can't see it, but the sky's like, I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, so the sky is a bit not seen anyway. So the sky's a bit blue and everything else, and it was great. And exposure is weird right now. Stop looking at the camera while we were vlogging. Anyway, yeah. So the light was changing. It was pleasant earlier, and now it's not. And then it's pleasant, and yeah, typical Melbourne weather. But I'm excited right now. We're gonna go out to see a play. It's been a while we've been out to see a play, but here we are. I'm noticing something. This camera has a weird. Let me just take this filter off. Yeah, this lens has a weird flare onto it. This is a cheap Samyang, so you can expect that one. It has a weird flare. There you go. Look at that fucking flare. Anyway, this is what you expect from getting a cheapo lens like the Samyang, but everything should be fine. I need to go now. I need to shower and do the rest of things. But oh, let's try this thing out here. It's not working. Anyway, that's it. Okay, before I go back in and do what I need to do, I'm just going to discuss what's happening right now. So yeah, I usually want my videos to be like done properly, even though when I edit I get lazy and I don't do it properly. So what I try to do is I try to make a lot of videos, like a vlog, and then say I'm gonna edit it tonight. I'm gonna make it look good, and then tonight passes, the next day passes, and it stays in my hard drive. So I've been making a lot of videos which were should be uploaded on time, but end up not uploading it. So those videos become stale and they stay on my hard drive, and yeah, you know what I mean. But I'll try to upload them right now whenever I'm lazy, or I haven't vlogged for the day, or I didn't get any good videos for the day. I'll try to put them in, like snuck it into some of the videos that I make, and then that way we can make use of all those videos. And this one's so bright. Here you go. So yeah, so that we can make use of those videos. So I'm gonna try to do that, and I hope you guys appreciate it. It's gonna be a lot of blabbering vlogs like this one I'm doing right now. Yeah, because when I was traveling, I had fun vlogging. I had fun making videos and everything else. But yeah, lately it's been like, okay, you need to make videos and make it look good, and I tried to think of a lot of things, and I end up doing nothing. So for this case, I'm a bit on the editing side of my side job here, photography. So this time I'm gonna try to sneak in some edits for the video, and hopefully we'll get more vlogs and more old vlogs coming out, and I can get rid of my large queue. I even have some gear talks where I'm not able to post, but I don't know if they're still relevant. But yeah, and it's cold. I'm shaking. I need to go inside now. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Yeah, well, more videos for today. I'll see if I can film some more. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys, starting to get gloomy. Just finished shower, just got ready, but Laura's still on a meeting right now, so I'm just gonna wait for a bit. But yeah, it's 30 minutes before sunset, so fair enough. It's gonna get dark. As you can see, everything's like gloomy. You won't see it because this camera is like auto eye, so I was gonna fix the exposure, but it's getting kind of gloomy. And yeah, we're watching a play today, so I'm excited. Nothing really interesting today. just a normal vlog video, which I'm trying to put back into my my account, because haven't been vlogging, and every time I'm in front of the camera, I blabber, I stutter, I do all weird things. And before, when I was traveling and doing these awful videos that I make, it was fine because yeah, I was not that perfectionist with everything. But this time, I'm really conscious with what I do, what I post, and I end up not posting. So I should change that. I should put everything in. And to those who judge, whatever you can do, you do you. Anyway, it's starting to get long with me blabbering because that's what I always do. But yeah, I'm gonna go back inside and stop blabbering now. And somewhere in the future, I'm gonna look at these videos right now, and I'm gonna like cringe. There's a car there, it's putting yellow light in my face. I'm gonna cringe at what I'm doing, but either way, that's it. I hate it. I can't just change the ISO with this button here. I need to press something, but it is what it is. So yep, those are the dark clouds. The dark clouds. Yeah, that's in real life. That's not the camera autofocusing. That's how it looks. Getting dark now. Yes, we're watching a play. Hi, Laura. We're up here walking. We're here watching and Juliet. Yep. Waiting for it. Sushi for today. Yep. Yeah. So that was fun. Yep. Yeah, was a good play. And Juliet. Yeah. We're in the parking lot right now. Yep. So I just got home, and what happened earlier is that I'm a bit embarrassed to vlog in public, but try better, try more. And yeah, most of these vlogs again are just, I can see the colors slowly going warm. I'm setting my camera to auto white balance and everything else, so it's just, yeah. Anyway, yeah. So just to end this vlog today, yeah, we watched And Juliet. It was a play. It's gonna be ending June 4, so I need to post this video as soon as possible. But it was a fun play, musical, and yeah, it's about Romeo and Juliet, but it was extended, and it was like a new story. It was fun, and what's more fun about it was that other than it was more diverse and it was really new. It also had a lot of familiar songs, like from the Backstreet Boys, from Britney, from Bon Jovi, any of those famous songs from before. They use it as lyrics. I mean, lyrics for the play, or not lyrics, like I don't know. But anyway, it was fun. I had fun. We haven't watched a play or a theater or a musical for a while, but that was really fun. I was supposed to watch it on my birthday like months ago, but we were so busy and we didn't get tickets. But yeah, in case if you come across the musical And Juliet, watch it. It's fun. It's gonna end in like 5 days here in Melbourne though, so anyway, just need to wrap up this video right now and see you tomorrow. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I'm not planning anything, so see you then.